last week I was trying to do a video about Windows 10 technical preview, but I was unable to do it thanks to my computer's dodgy disk drive. So I'm going to restart the computer. It is not a Longhorn, it is Vista just with a Longhorn theme. As you can see, it's Windows Vista Ultimate. Can't wait till the video is done so then I can get back to do what I was doing, so I've got stuff I need to do. Just some background information. This is going to be installed onto a, if you can see, Dell Optiplex with an Intel Pentium processor. Okay, hopefully it should tell me to boot from CD/DVD. But basically, if where did I put that drive? My Lenovo drive that came with my Lenovo computer decided to mess up and be a complete waste of my time and money, because it decided to start destroying my discs, which I didn't find very useful. If I can find the drive, I know what it is. So while Windows boots, I'm just going to put the camera down a minute. Look at the HP logo, isn't it? It's a Dell. Right. This is why I couldn't do this video last week, as we wait for it to boot. See this here? Faulty Lenovo G700. When Windows Open 1 destroys disks. And this is a Panasonic Precision Devices Co. Limited from just April 2013, and that's how new this device is, and it's already destroying disks. At the moment it's got the bezel out of the Dell on it, Dell laptop on it, because it doesn't fit because of this metal thing on the back, which for Lenovo's I did so it can screw in. So as we wait for Windows to boot, I think I'll be back in a minute. Doesn't hurry up because I don't have all day. Ah, perfect. So it's got the UK settings correct already, even though I haven't gone and changed them. So what I need to do is I need to go down to Next and install now. Setup is starting. Zoom out. Yep, setup is starting. You have a Windows 7 style loading cursor. Strange for Windows 8 and 10 and whatnot. So this is the Microsoft pre-release Windows operating system license agreement, and I accept license terms. Bit hard to do when I'm looking at it through camera's screen. Custom. Now, look how many partitions I've got. Vista, Windows 7, that's only 9, that's 48. Recovery, system, and Windows MSC, and Windows 10 to look preview. That's what I'm going to put it on. Next. But that was running Windows Server for a test. I don't need it anymore because I can't get it to boot due to my BIOS on this computer. I'll be back when we get to the next phase of setup. But for now, that's it. And yeah. So we're now getting files ready for installation. We're at 95%. Let me just check the time. It's 9:30, so 9:30 on 30th of November. It shouldn't take too long after this. Basically, it's expanding the files. On Windows Vista and 7, it actually says expanding files, installing features. Okay, that's going a bit fast, and now it's installing the updates. And that's done, and it's getting finished. A lot quicker than I thought it would be. But let's get ready to watch the next portion. Okay, let me just click on, sorry if the camera's a bit unstable here. Restart now. 9.8, build 9.841 this is. I will be doing other videos at later dates on other builds of Windows 10. But after we wait, it's going to boot up. Okay, just going to ignore that because of course I don't want it to boot from the drive. Imagine trying it on this device right here. But that's a Dell Optiplex, that is. So we now have the Windows 10 or Windows 8 logo and the spinning dots. Keyboard's just had some initialization command sent to it because as you can see the lights are flashing as Windows boots up. Hopefully I won't run out of battery on this camera while I'm doing this, because I did a whole 20 minutes of video on this camera the other day, the smashing the calculator video, so we're getting somewhere. I'm just checking see if it's the keyboard. The keyboard is no longer responsive. That is. Aha, so we've got this nice thing here, or at least we did. Nice boot manager. It's now gone off the screen. So I'm going to pause the video a minute. If we don't get anything beyond the screen, I think we will, because I just saw it flash black and then the thing come on. So just give it a minute. If it doesn't come on, I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back to it when it comes on. Ah, here we are, getting devices ready. So, unless this goes really fast, well, it did go really fast. Not as getting the driver. I'll be surprised if it picks up the drivers straight away, although I think I do have the drivers on my, if I can get it up in this finger. SanDisk, 8GB USB flash drive. I'm going to be doing some homework after this and some Python, so I need to hurry up. Getting ready. And don't forget, this is well, at least 5 years old computer. The BIOS date is from October 2008. Hard drive lights on full. And I've been I'd say about 20 minutes it's been installing there. 2140 at the moment. Okay. Move this cups out of the way, they were blocking. Where should I put them? Up there they can go. Where I said it'd be a bit, imagine running, oh no, this Dell right here. Pentium 4 cores. And if you can see that, it's an Optiplex GX280. This was made in Ireland before they moved to Poland. 2011. This was made on. This computer's 9 years old. That's one thing I do know. Here we are. 22nd of the 4th, so 22nd of April 2005. Windows 10, 9 years newer. Imagine running that on a Pentium 4. Since it has 8 megabytes of video memory. Yeah. Computer's restarting. I wonder if I'll see that nice boot menu again. That'd be quite handy, because then I can boot into XP on here as well, because it detected my XP, Vista, and Windows 7 installations. You know what, I might as well take this disk out of the drive because of the moment. And label it. So let me get, well, that's just what it needs to do. I'm going to open we're going to see the boot menu. The lovely boot menu from Windows 8 uses, here we are. Windows Technical Preview, Windows 7, early version Windows XP Media Center, and Windows Vista. So what I'm going to do is click on Windows Technical Preview, and then I'm going to try holding the camera right on this disk, Windows 10 TP. So I put the camera there. Let's see stuff that happened on screen. So let me just write this on the disk while you wait. Tech Preview. And what's the date today? It is the 30th of November. 30th Nov. We ain't getting online in this video because I need to install the drivers for that, but I've just labelled the disk so I know where it is. Maybe I'll do another video later in the week after I've done a video about a nice Dell Latitude E5400 laptop. Of course, that's a nice laptop. Express settings. So I'm going to click on Use Express settings. That's nice. Do not track. Okay, I'm just going to need to put this information in. So I need to put the camera down, really, but has it detected my keyboard? No, I was just pressing the wrong key on the keyboard because let's enter the password. Enter the password. A hint is now required. Norm, because it's my normal password, but yeah. And a very small password from me. Finalising your settings. It's going to say hi now, isn't it? Yep, hi. And it's going to flash loads of colours. We're setting things up for you. Okay, thank you, Microsoft. And it should be changing the colours. If it's like Windows 8, but no, Windows 8 decided to play up. You can get new apps from the store, just like when I got my Windows 8. And it's going to flash colours, and at the moment it's installing apps. It shouldn't take that long because it's not an OEM like this one. That's a Lenovo OEM installation. So as that changes colours and tells me I can get new apps from the store, let's wait. If it takes too long, I will be turning the camera off and coming back again. I will have no drivers in this video, so I need to install the drivers. Using my little flash disk here, I should use the 7 drivers, but I don't have those, and I'm not wasting 500 megabytes of storage. So if I can find an empty USB ports, I will be. Yep, there certainly is an empty USB port. I can see what I'm doing and hold the camera at the same time. We're back at we're at the desktop, so just give me a second. Okay, I think what is this? Belkin. You know what the Belkin is? The Belkin is what I'm using to get on the Wi-Fi here. It's a bit dodgy since I squashed it. Yeah. So it's recognised the removable disk. We have the Start menu right here. The beloved Windows Start menu. And welcome to Tech Preview. This might require the internet. And yeah, because open it go.microsoft.com. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go into File Explorer and this PC. And as you can see, we've got all my disks here. Is that really how much I've taken up? Yes, look at all the rubbish on my thing here. I think I'll get rid of a bit of MPA. It doesn't work. Wow. Lots of Windows XP themes right there. Music. Nothing. Here we are. Wow, we do not have .NET 3.5 built in anymore. So I need to go, and I don't need to be there. This PC, properties. 2 GB memory, Pentium. Okay, my computer name's a bit random. Windows is not activated. Yes, because I haven't logged in with my Microsoft account. So what I need to do is I need to install these drivers. So what we need to do is find Dell. Nope, that's for unless it's in the Dell compressor zip. Here we are, Vostro 220, Wi-Fi, run, unzip. Okay, I need to go and deal with that. It's because it's already got it on this computer, so if I go into C, it's already here because it didn't format the drive. So what I need to do is right click, install, and let's see if I get my Wi-Fi. Install the driver anyway. No connections are available. I'll be checking the device manager in a minute, but let's run the GPU driver. Windows Vista. Sorry about the background noise. And we'll go with audio as well. This operating system is not supported, right? Let me see download Windows 7 drivers. Try the audio. We appear to be getting some sort of Wi-Fi here. View connection settings. Oh wow. Right, it's definitely recognising the wireless USB stick I've got. So I need to be adding a connection. No connections available. That appears to be the fault of this wireless USB stick, which is completely useless in my opinion. So let me just take this stick out. Yes, USB device not recognised, that's new. So while we wait for, hopefully, the operation completes successfully. Okay. But anyway, we have this here. I'm just going to run WinVer just to prove that it's not just modified Windows 8. And Windows feedback, that'll be quite a nice app, but when I get the Wi-Fi and the GPU working. WinVer. Windows version 6.4, build 9841, copyright 2014. Expires 15/04. Well, it'll be updates out by then, so it won't expire. Okay, all files were successfully installed. I don't want to add a VPN. I want to add a Wi-Fi. But it is the driver's working. No connections available. I think maybe restarting it might help. I'm just going to click on OK. Start. Does this work? Do the Realtek drivers for Vista work with Windows 10? They work with Windows 7, I know that. Well, and I'll just show you the new search thing here that I never noticed before. And task view and the desktop, and task view, which is I believe the same as Windows tab. Windows tab goes into task view. Alt tab does what Alt tab does, but basically the same as task view. So I've got a Wi-Fi because it's telling me to connect to the BT Wi-Fi, which I hate and I'll never use. And now it's just no connections are available. I think I'll restart my computer now because that might bring the Wi-Fi functionality back into the system. And what's the time? 21:51, so I think I'll be finishing the video soon. Yes, have a guess what mouse I'm using with Windows 10. A ball mouse. I wonder what it is, do you? It's a mouseport compatible mouse 2.0A made in Ireland. As you can see, it's certainly a Microsoft mouse, as it says Microsoft Corporation down there, and Microsoft there, and it goes very well with my, well, it would go well if it was beige, but Dell actually sold these with their computers that said Dell on them, and they were black, so that would fit with this more if you had the Microsoft logo, which some of them did actually. Windows 10 technical preview, we'll just wait for that to load up. Okay, hopefully I should be able to log into my Wi-Fi, and that is using either an XP or a Vista driver for that thing, and it just flashed, so it should be getting a signal now. So, yeah. While we wait, if I can find my Destruct calculator, I'd show you what that was, but okay, just log in with my incredibly strong password. If I enter that correctly, because I can't type with just one hand. Appears that I did. I'm just going to quickly switch these Dell speakers on. And shut down the HP. Okay. Turn off computer. Turn off. Let's find some music to see if it will play. That's Windows XP. I'm just going to go into the Windows Explorer, and I'm also going to connect to the Wi-Fi if it's found it. No connections available, even though it just connected to fucking BT Font. Okay. So we now have this new home for my computer. What I want to do is go to music, no sample music. So Win 10 TP or Windows media. There we are, media. These are actually the Windows 7 ones, but they haven't got anything in them. Recommended settings, finish. We have sound using a Windows Vista driver. Let's try MIDI. And these are using a pair of Dell, I believe they're A215s. These are definitely the A215 Dell speakers. Well, that's obvious, isn't it? I've got no Wi-Fi connection. But that's nice the way they say it. Windows Update needs your help. So let's look at anything here. We see we have the standard Windows Metro applications here. Yes, I'm talking loud now. But we have the standard Windows Metro applications here. Troubleshooting, yes, new on the driver. Or my Wi-Fi network. If I open, I don't know, Windows Feedback, Calendar, as you can see, we now have minimize and whatnot buttons. But if I open Windows Feedback, I can just show you that. Say you give feedback to Microsoft about it. Yes, I am registered, except I'm not connected to the internet. And that thinks I'm connected via Ethernet. But, yes, we have Windows 10 technical preview. Just take a look at the device manager actually. So if I go to, and I'm used to going here and then clicking my computer, or right clicking it against properties, but of course you can't do that now. But you can't do that in Windows 8, but I'm using Start 8 on that computer, so I can. So I just want to go to Device Manager and see what we get here. Video controller. We have display, Microsoft DVD, human interface. We don't have the Microsoft IntelliPoint set. Microsoft PS2 mouse. Monitors, which is H. We have it here. I'm back, and apparently my battery has gone up. Just got to finish off the device manager. Portable. Oh, wow. Didn't mean to do that. We have just the, what's this? Print queues, processors. Pentium dual core, yes. CS Wearable Synth, we got the system devices. 4 series set. Okay, USB. Wow. But anyway, thanks for watching this video about Windows 10 Technical Preview. Yes, goodbye. Now I'm really pissed off though.